Creating clear software architecture doesn't have to be complicated. In this tutorial, we'll explore the C4 model and show you how to build your own diagrams in Lucidchart. So what is the C4 model in software architecture? Essentially, it's a way to create maps of your code at different levels of detail, much like a physical map. To understand the architecture, we look at the 4 levels of C4: context, containers, components, and code. Let's break down each level and who they are for. Level 1 is the system context, showing how users interact with your system. Level 2 moves into containers, illustrating high-level shapes like web applications, databases, or mobile apps. Level 3 focuses on components within a container and their responsibilities. Finally, Level 4 is the code level, providing the most granular detail, often through UML class diagrams. You might wonder, C4 model versus UML, what is the difference? While UML provides a formal language, C4 offers a simplified, hierarchical approach that's easier for everyone to understand. Ready to start? Follow this step-by-step tutorial, how to create a C4 model diagram using the intuitive tools available in Lucidchart. Start by opening a new Lucidchart document. Open the Shape Library Manager and search for C4 shapes. Drag a person and software system onto the canvas for your context diagram. Use the canvas to nest containers within systems. Simply use hotkeys like L to draw lines between components, defining clear relationships and data flows across all 4 levels. With Lucid, you can easily navigate between high-level context and deep technical details. Start building your C4 model today to bring clarity to your software architecture.